Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Immich and Synology photos. Immich and Synology photos are both powerful self-hosted photo management solutions, but they cater to slightly different needs. Immich is a great open-source photo storage tool that can run your own server. It's similar to Google Photos but gives you full privacy and control. The design is clean and modern, and it works well on both phones and computers. You can auto-upload photos from your phone, and it even supports live photos and videos. One of the best parts is its smart AI features like face recognition and object tagging, which help organize your pictures easily. The website is simple, clear, and easy to navigate even for beginners. Updates and features are added regularly by the active community. Synology Photo is a photo and video management app that comes built-in with Synology NAS devices. It's easy to use and works well for families or small teams who want to store, organize, and share their pictures safely at home. The interface is clean and user-friendly, similar to Google Photos, but more private since everything stays on your own NAS. You can organize pictures by albums, tags, dates, or people with limited face recognition. Sharing is simple with secure links, and you can control who sees what. It also has a great backup options, including automatic uploads from mobile devices. However, it lacks more advanced AI tools like object recognition and powerful search. Overall, Immich is better if you want advanced AI features and full control. Synology Photo is better for simple, private photo management on NAS. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.